Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you Moodle tutorial, introduction and site overview. To get started, you have to go to any web browser and then type Moodle. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. This is inside the dashboard. But what is this Moodle I'm talking about? Well, Moodle is an open source learning management system or LMS widely used for creating online educational platforms, and it allows educators to build and manage courses, assignments, quizzes, and forums to facilitate learning in a virtual environment. Moodle is popular in academic institutions, businesses, and organizations for its flexibility and also offering tools like creating system, file sharing, and interactive elements to enhance the learning experience. So let's start with your profile at the top right corner. If you type your profile at the top right corner, you will see here settings such as profile, grades, calendar, private files, report, also preferences, and language. And also, if you want to log out, you can log out. So basically, if you tap your Moodle Academy here at the top left corner, you will see here three features such as home, dashboard, and my courses. So I have enrolled with these courses. If you want to see more about your course, then you can simply tap it or right click and then open in a new link tab. Basically, this is the course or this the sample of the interface of your course. You can see here courses, information, participants, grades. So if you tap grades, this is what it looks like. Okay, badges and more. So that is the interface of your course. So you can see these features and options right here. If you see this or tap this home above in Moody, the home section serves as a dashboard for users to track their overall well-being. And if you tap this dashboard right here, once you tap this one, okay, this is what it looks like. And here in the dashboard, you will see this upcoming events, find courses, Beauty Academy programs, and so on. On the right side, you see here the search icon if you want to search a specific course. Next is the Moodle notification bell. The notification bell likely serves to alert users to important updates and reminders related to their well-being activities. And then if you tap this gear icon or settings, you can see here notification preferences. So you can toggle on notification right here if you want to receive alerts or notification in your email, in your mobile. And if you don't want to receive any notification like open forum or lesson, you can toggle this one off. But if you want to get alert or be notified with any Zoom meeting, then you can toggle this one on and also the system. So you have your preferences if you want to turn off or if you want to receive alerts from any activities here in Moodle Academy. So again, in this Moodle notification preferences, you can enable or disable specific notifications, mobile notifications, customized notifications, access notification preferences by adjusting these preferences. So as a Moodle user, you now have the overview for notification preferences. For this message icon, if you have received or if there is a message, then you can just tap it right here. This message icon represents the platform's internal messaging system. It allows users, students, and teachers to send and receive private messages within the platform. Overview of Moodle Profile. So in Moodle, the Profile section allows users to manage their personal information and settings within the platform. Under Reports, you can see here your grades overview and your grades. Going back, under your profile, you can also see here privacy and policies like data requests, if you want to export all your personal data, if you want to delete the account, policies and agreements, you can see it right here. Also, the courses that you have enrolled. So I have enrolled to these two courses right here. So click each if you want to see more details. And also, if you want to change a subscription, you can see it inside the user details. Moodle's grades section. So grades are an essential feature of the platform, allowing both teachers and students to track and manage academic progress. And of course, you will see the result or grades right here. Next, calendar section. So in Moodle, The calendar is a key feature that helps both students and teachers stay organized by keeping track of important dates, deadlines, and events. So here they can view and manage event creation. Teachers can add events related to the course and the student can see it right here. Synchronization, Moodle's calendar be synchronized with external calendars such as Google. Notifications, so both students and teachers can set up notifications to alert them about upcoming events or changes in the calendar. Also, you can add a new event right here. All you have to do is to add title, date, description, location. You can also add duration right here. Okay, so you can add specific date. You can also add duration in minutes. You can tap repeat this event or not, or repeat weekly creating together, and so on. So once done, what you're going to do here is you have to click save. You can also add image links. Okay, so you can see some options right here. If you want to add something, then add or enter URL or browse from repositories or create a link if you want. So basically, that's it. Now you can save. And if you're a teacher or a student and you have the access to this calendar, then you will see all events, anything here. You will be notified about any changes with the event or examination, something like that. So that's it. That's the advantage of this calendar and also this synchronization. So users can manage their schedules more effectively. Once it's at save, then you will see the new event right here. Okay, so that's the overview for calendar. Let's go to private files. Okay, so Moodle private files. Private files are a personal storage space where users can upload and manage their own documents, files, and resources. So the key features here, personal storage, file upload management, access from anywhere, and integration with course activities. So all you have to do is to add that and then save. Now let's move on to reports. So custom reports, as you can see, there is no report right here, but inside the report, so reports will provide instructors with detailed insights into students' progress and participation across various activities and courses. These reports help track and analyze performance, identify areas of improvement, and manage student data efficiently. Moodle preferences. So Moodle preferences allows users to customize their experience within the platform. These preferences cover a wide range of settings that affect both user interface and notifications. Language, you can switch to any language right here. Everything is up to you. And then if you want to log out, then you can log out your profile right here. And then add a new account if you have. So that's all for our Moodle overview. In conclusion, Moodle is a comprehensive and flexible learning management system widely used in educational environments. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.